In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Victorian plumbing promo code. So let's get started. So Victorian plumbing is a very popular bathroom retailer in the UK, and you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up the following. Then you're gonna click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna head over to this first website, Daily Mail. I'm gonna go there. And as you guys can see, these are the codes for September 2023, and today is 2nd September, so they're gonna work for you. So the first one is save 20 pounds on orders over 350 pounds with this email sign up. You can click on it. So for this, you don't need a code because whenever you sign up, it's automatically gonna send you a code which you can use. Well, let's go over to the next one, which says 10% off with this code. You can click on it. So with this code FLASH10, you're gonna get a 10% off, and you can use this at checkout. Similarly, there are many other codes. So for example, apply this code for a 10% off discount. So tab10, this is another code which gives you a 10% discount. Now I'm gonna head over to a few more websites and show you a few more codes. Well, you can head over to this website, Coupon Follow. Okay, so the first one is get extra 10% off Arezzo products. So you can click on it. And this is the code for getting a 10% off. So you can click continue to Victorian plumbing, which is going to take you to their website. You can choose your products and use this code at checkout for a 10% off. Now there are many other codes. For example, save 5% off at Victorian plumbing. You can click this, and that's the code for a 5% off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.